Let's read source 1 for the Mexico City investigation. This source is called Mexico's Constitution. First, let's remember our central question, because that's our purpose for reading this source. Why is access to water unequal in and around Mexico City? Let's read the attribution and then the headnote to learn what type of source this is, when it was written, who wrote it and approved it, and why it was written. Attribution. Text from Articles in Mexico's Constitution that was first approved in 1917 and amended, which means changed, every year since then. Mexico's Constitution of 1917 with amendments or changes through 2015, translated by the Comparative Constitutions Project in 2015. Headnote. The Mexican Constitution was written in 1917. It has been amended, which means changed, every year. These amendments or changes are written within the document. The Constitution is the highest law in the country. Mexico's Constitution has 2 articles about access to water. Article 27 was written in 1917. Article 27 says that water is national property. This means the government can decide who gets access to water and how much. In 2012, the government amended or changed Article 4. Article 4 says that all people have the right to water. Before that, it said people needed an adequate environment. Let's pause here. Take a moment to answer these questions about the headnote and attribution in your packet. So pause and come back when you're ready. Now, let's read the source. Let's read these articles from Mexico's Constitution. Article 4, amended in 2012. Any person has the right of access to water for personal and home use. The state will guarantee the right to enough clean and affordable water for everyone. The law will define the ways equitable access and use of the freshwater resources will be provided. Article 27. The nation owns all land and water within national territory. The nation has a right to give the ownership of land and water to individual people. The nation has a right to put restrictions, which means controls, on private property based on what the public needs. The nation has the right to control the use of the natural resources in order to distribute public wealth fairly to make life better for people living in the country and the cities. Now, go back and read the source on your own, and pause after each sentence to think, what people and institutions are actors in the source? And what is the relationship between those people and institutions?